Hi guys, it's your girl Cindy. So on today's episode, I want us to be talking about Naira and Sam Larry. As we all know, Naira and Sam Larry has been what? Declared free. They've regained their freedom, meaning there is no more case. I think so. So when they brought it out in the internet, a lot of people triggered a lot of reaction. People were like, "Oh, suppose don't buy these two people now. They were the one that buy Mohbad. They were the one that buy." A lot of people, they were not happy that Naira and Sam Larry regained their freedom. But my question is, Naira and Sam Larry, are they the real killers of Mohbad? The answer is what? What is in your mind? Keifa adinu chegi. But left for me, I don't think that Mohbad's incident that day, guy that by him, that Naira and Sam Larry were the one that killed him. My own opinion, though. But even no when bobo in terms of the news waving around town that around the internet, sorry, that they have been bullying him, which led to him being depressed, and he started developing BP. Yes, in terms of all that, if I can say yes, maybe. But in terms of Mohbad, that very day onward, that September 12th, I think so, September 12th, yes, that was the day he died. The thing that triggered the death, or the thing that made him die, was not in any way related to Naira or Sam Larry. It's more like Moana. I came out, I'm having problem with somebody. I went and tell the person, just be looking your back, be watching your back. If you ain't get Maggie, I will deal with you. I will do this one. Just wait for me. An enemy, an enemy behind that such person has overheard what I was saying, and a lot of people were there when I was making such utterances. The enemy has been looking for an opportunity to buy such person, or where Ghana's way buy the person. A lot of people will be pointing fingers towards me that I'm the cause of the death of such person. I think that's how this whole saga of Naira and Sam Larry came into the picture. Do you understand? Yeah, maybe they've done their interrogation, I don't know. But this video is particularly to tell you that Sam Larry and Naira has what? The both of them have regained their freedom. Okay? I don't know. One love.